मर्द को दर्द नहीं होता, सुना है ना? Men should not cry, boys don't cry. He thinks he will not be a man enough if he is not able to manage pain by himself. Last couple of days we have been discussing how is a divorce recovery process different from for a boy and for a girl. For a male and a female, the recovery process is very different, and I keep telling you aspects about how is it different. So while men going through divorce, they do not tend to grieve, they do not express themselves, they do not open up, they always bottle up their emotions. बचपन से तो यही सिखाया गया है, मर्द को दर्द नहीं होता, सुना है ना? और क्या कहते हैं? You cannot grieve, men should not cry, boys don't cry. This is all fake a world. Why can't a man also feel hurt, right? That is where bachpan se we teach our boys to keep bottling up our emotions and not expressing themselves. This personality then becomes concrete as we grow up, and we are made to believe, I'm talking of the boys, that सब कुछ मुझे खुद ही करना है. You know, power, strength means that I have to be able to manage everything by myself, and that is when I will be a man enough. Even when he is going through extreme pain, he needs help, he thinks he will not be a man enough if he is not able to manage his pain by himself, which is absolutely wrong. On the contrary, the women seek out professional help, they seek out help from their families, they seek out help from their friends, they speak out, and that is where the grieving is helpful. When you speak out, when you share, when you get perspectives, that is where the pain starts reducing. That is a separate matter कि आप किससे बात कर रहे हो और आपको क्या advice मिल रहा है, but the first step of the grieving always begins when you share. Being very cautious as to whom do you share. What happens is when a couple is married, it's the wives who enforce, empower, encourage healthy behavior in the family, and that is how men get dependent on the wives to take care even of their health, right? When this life partner is gone, they are left by themselves to be grieving. They try to self-medicate themselves to overcome this pain, क्योंकि मदद तो मांग नहीं सकते ना. That's what the subconscious mind has been telling them, सब कुछ अपने आप करना है. So when men are left by themselves to take care of themselves, they try to self-medicate themselves by consuming drugs and alcohols, which further depletes their mental strength. On the contrary, when women go out and speak, yes, women are much more comfortable speaking to strangers and even taking professional help. Whereas men are more traditionally aligned to speaking only to their spouses. Whenever they are depressed, they would come back and speak to their spouse. They find it very difficult and so unconventional to be going out and speaking to a marriage counselor or a reconciliation agent, whoever it is, to try and reconcile. But let me tell you something which is very contrary to the popular belief. आप एक न्यूट्रल ओपिनियन अगर चाहते हो तो आपको किसी न्यूट्रल पर्सन से ही बात करना होगा. All the family members that you reach out to have some selfish interest, have some bias towards either of you, either of the partners. So it's best advice that you go to a neutral person who does not gain or lose anything from this discussion. आपको एक न्यूट्रल पर्सपेक्टिव मिल पाएगा जहां से आप अपनी जिंदगी की एक नई शुरुआत कर सकते हैं. That is all that I had to say for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. We are discussing here the difference of how divorce recovery happens. How is it different for a man versus a girl, for a woman? So this was the third in the series. I hope you like it. Please share your comments with me. I look forward to it. Thank you so much. Wish you a great, great day ahead.